Semi-automatic aerosol filling machine, 4-in-1. Filling height adjustment. Filling volume adjustment reference. Valve support, sealing, inflation height adjustment. Close hand slide valve pull. Rotating handle fixed height. Lock the fixings and open the hand slide valve push. Inflation amount adjustment reference. The cylinder pushes the tank. Turn on the filling start button, pushing the bottles to fill normally. Manual valve. Automatic valve stabilization, sealing, and insulation. Non-standard customized model, tank height 40厘米